Hey, what's up everyone? I just wanted to jump on here and do a quick review of a new gun purchase because when I was looking for reviews on this, there wasn't very many on YouTube. So I just wanted to jump on here and do a quick review. This is, well, first, before we start, we'll make sure everything is safe. Open the magazine. Open the magazine. So I picked this up. This is the Springfield XDM Elite in the flat dark earth, flat desert color. So just real quick, a couple of reasons that I picked this gun. For one, it is a full size. It has a probably the number one reason I picked it up is because of this trigger. This trigger is supposed to be the meta trigger, which stands for the match enhanced trigger assembly. It's supposed to have a really light pull on it, like 4.5 pounds. It has a very definitive wall and a clean break, which you can see. I can demonstrate that. So right here, let's see, I'll do it this way. So I haven't shot it yet. I just picked it up this week, but that was one thing that I will be looking for. That this pistol also is optic ready. As you can see here, you can order the plate for Trigicon, Hollow Sun, Vortex Venom, Vortex Viper, and I think there was one or two more plates that you can pick up. I was kind of disappointed because the plate did not come with the firearm. You actually have to register the firearm with Springfield, and then they will send you the plate. So I'm actually waiting on mine now, but it is, you know, at no cost. You just pick which plate you want and they'll get it in the mail within a day or two. This pistol does have the suppressor height sights for co-witnessing, your red dot optic. One thing that I'm not too sure about yet is the blacked out front and rear sight. It is blacked out. It may be hard to pick up that front sight if you don't have a optic on there. For me, I wasn't very worried about that because I do plan on putting an optic on here, and any other dots would essentially just kind of get in the way of finding your target there. A couple other features about this firearm. For one, the palm safety was redone. I like the palm safety. I think it's just another thing to reassure that you don't shoot yourself when you're in and out of the holster. The other good part, you know, the magazines too. I mean, these are stainless steel magazines. You can't go wrong. These things are super smooth. You know, in and out doing reloads, tactical mag changes and stuff like that. It's been super reliable. These are good magazines right here. You know, you can really beat these things up, drop them in the mud, rinse them off, you're good to go. But what I like about it is that these are actually the same magazines. The only difference is this, the bottom magazine extension on there. So you can take this bottom plate off and order these, and you can actually, which I have a ton of these magazines, and I can make them 22 rounds if I want. I might actually, because Springfield offers the, because Springfield offers an incentive to register your firearm on their website, they give you 50% off of their merchandise, mostly magazines. There's a couple optics on there, t-shirts, hats, whatever. But these are normally a $40 magazine. For registering the firearm, you get the magazine for about 20 bucks. So that's pretty good that you can get these magazines, or the extended, I think it's a 30 round magazine that you can get on there for like $22, $23. So that's another pretty good incentive, and another reason why I wanted to go with the with this new Springfield. And you know, that magazine, you know, that sits pretty flush. I don't have the mounting plates yet, but I did look at this, and with the Trijicon SRO, you do get a co-witness through the optic. It's not as much as I would like, at least it doesn't look like it will be as much as I would like, but it is there, and you will have that. So if you're looking for that, and also I think it looks pretty good with the desert color and the black accessories. You know, I think that looks pretty good. So I will do a range day with this pistol in the very near future, and I will post some updates on that. So if you're interested in seeing that, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll make sure I do another review on this firearm. Thanks for watching.